let's learn today Kishore Kumar's popular number Chhukar Mere Man Ko. So first I will play its cover, then I will teach you slowly. Before starting, I would request you, if you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit bell icon to get all the notifications of my new videos. So let's start it. Now let's learn the song. So first let's talk about chords and scales. So this song is on E major scale and I have used chord E major. So either you can play it like E chord is like this, or with style it doesn't matter if we play it like this. So I am more comfortable with single finger chord. E major chord is like this, E, G sharp, B, or we can play simply like this. So I have used single finger chord like E major. So mainly used chord is E major, B major, C sharp minor and G sharp minor, and one more chord is A chord. So mainly these chord I have used. So in between I will tell you how to play with both the hands. So first prelude is there. It's like again see. For this I have used number 53 voice. So it is like after that I have used sitar voice. So it will be like this. After that I have used this theater voice, so it will be after that I have used flute flute, then it will be then string I have used, then it will be like this. Again see. Now song start. Song is like छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा. So we'll play it like this. मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा. So we'll use chord like this. Listen. G sharp minor. Back to E. Next is again see with chords. C sharp minor. G sharp minor. Back to E. G sharp minor. The chord progression is like E, after that B, then G sharp minor and back to E. First line ka. Second line ka is first is B, then C sharp minor, back to E. Now again one tune is there. It is like, it is in sitar voice. It is like so with chord it will go like this. B, G sharp minor, then again string voice I have used. It will be now with chords we'll see. B chord, chord A, now back to D, D chord, G sharp minor, again see. Now D, G sharp minor. Now first stanza is like आजा तेरा आंचल ये प्यार से मैं भर दूं, प्यार से मैं भर दूं. So we'll play it like this. आजा तेरा आंचल about chords. So chords will be again E starts with E. Again C starts with E. Next is आज तेरा आंचल ये प्यार से मैं भर दूं, प्यार से मैं भर दूं, खुशियाँ जहाँ बसें तुझको नजर कर So we play it like it. तू ही मेरा जीवन, तू ही जीने का सहारा, तू ही मेरा जीवन C sharp minor, तू ही जीने G sharp minor, E back to E. सॉन्ग में 2 स्टेंजास हैं, तो दूसरा स्टेंजा भी सेम ऐसे ही प्ले करेंगे जैसे आपको अभी मैंने फर्स्ट स्टेंजा प्ले करके दिखाया. आई गेस इट शुड बी क्लियर एंड अगेन इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन. So thank you, thanks for watching.